How about that? As promised, brand new equipment for District 6, delivered by the governor himself.
And this is a new day in the Division of Highways, and I think we're moving in a really positive direction. I'm looking forward to seeing the organization grow and become more of what it should be.
All of them have been supporting. We supported the governor view of, the secondary road mission, road to prosperity. All of this actually came hotspot, and we came through.
The culture here is I wouldn't say we're kinder or gentler. I'd say we're aggressive. I'd say we're passionate. I say we have a mission and we're focused on it.
I wished I had this job 30, 40 years ago.
An old football coach once told me that the best players don't always make the best team, but the best team always wins. Well, we've got great players, and we're making a great team, and we're winning. We're making a difference.